Rani, it's Ismail from Newton Honda in South Croydon. I'm just going to give you a walk around this Toyota RAV4. This is a 2019. Again, it's about 2 years old now, and again, as you can see, the vehicle is in this lovely grey colour. Now again, with this car, we did put it through our workshop. It's been through a 114-point check with one of our senior mechanics, which basically means they go through all the parts on the vehicle in terms of the engine, gearbox, brakes and so on. Now again, this vehicle has passed with flying colours as you'd expect from a 2019 Toyota. Again, very reliable vehicle. As you'd expect with all used cars, this car does have a bit of sign of wear. On this vehicle, all I could find was a bit of chip on the rims. Again, this is going to go through our smart repairs workshop and we're going to get that sorted. Other than that, in terms of the vehicle's paintwork, it is in pristine condition. I couldn't find any scratches or dents or anything like that. Again, this car has a 5-year warranty from Toyota from new, which basically means it's got another 3 years remaining on the warranty, so you won't have any headaches or worry about any breakdowns or anything like that in the next 3 years. This car is a higher spec, so you do get an auto tailgate, heated seats and so on. In terms of the leather seats inside, they are also in fantastic condition. Now with just like all of our other vehicles at the moment, just because we're doing click and collect, you do have a 14-day money back guarantee, which basically means if you drive this car and it's not right for you, you can return it right back to us for a full refund. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your inquiry. Please give us a call once you've watched the video to give us some feedback and we can go from there. Thanks a lot. Take care.